Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in today's video I'm going to bring you along while I finish cleaning the rest of this pantry room, and then that project will be done. And I'm going to bring you along with me. So what's left to be done is I need to fold up this table, get it tucked aside, pull out the coolers that are over here, get this rug out, get the floor swept, mopped, get this rug vacuumed, and then get the rug back in. Just little bits of stuff. But that's all that I have left, other than defrosting these chest freezers and cleaning them out. But those can be totally done on a different day, and I just want to have this done. So let's do this. So that project is done. So that feels so good. Now granted, it took me different days to get it all done. I could have gotten it all done in one day, but I just didn't want to. That's a lot of work. This was a lot of work. So just cleaning up the floor and putting things, making new homes for certain things, that was kind of my goal. This closet here, We still hang some of our wintry stuff in here, and so this is, yeah, I'm gonna pretend that's not there. I did fold up my white table. We have 2 heaters down here if I need them, and as you can tell, I never need them. I'm always wearing tank tops. And I've got the food that we need to use up. It's right here. Future lasagna, hopefully. And we are doing very good at eating through items that we have, and it makes me feel so good. So good. It's just a great feeling. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.